Okay, everyone, here is special education students and their fear of fire alarms and why it is so bad. Many special education students have a big fear of fire alarms because of the loud sound and the flashing strobe light. Many special education students have sensitive hearing and they have strobe epilepsy. So that makes fire alarms one of their biggest fears. Especially since we consider the fact that the majority of schools in this country use horn strobes for the fire alarm, and the majority of strobes in schools are unsynchronized. So, schools should do two things. A, they should ban horn strobes and put in voice evacuation systems, aka speaker strobes, especially in the special education classroom, and they need to synchronize the strobes. So they should do two things to their alarm systems. Especially in the special education classroom. Many special education students have a really bad fear of fire alarms that some of them even break the alarm. And that is not good because we need it just in case there is a fire. That is my biggest problem right there, is them getting arrested because they have a fear of fire alarms. Bye.